Chattanooga is an old industrial city, and if we're going to be able to manage the community that's growing, it's a growing population, and it has a high demand both for consumer services, for video, for internet and all of that, plus a high demand for electricity, for heating, air conditioning, and for industrial and commercial purposes. So managing the system with a smart grid and being able to piggyback on that, the capability to communicate in new and important ways is, in my opinion, the city of the future. Networks of this sort are like the highways of the future. I mean, it's the infrastructure that cities will have to have if they're going to be competitive in the coming decades. We have fiber to every user, or will have by the end of this year, and that will enable us to provide a full range of services, not only managing the electrical system with smart meters on every house and every business that is supplied by our power board system, but also a full range of communication services, including video, television, telephone, and whatever comes next. We're the only city that has it in our area. In fact, we're the city with the fastest internet service in the nation right now, with gigabit service. And that has startled a lot of people, including me. And we just believe that that puts us ahead of our competition. We're often compared with other cities in the Southeast, and no other city has the capability to manage the system of the future like Chattanooga has. We were once the dirtiest city in America, and 40 years later, we're a clean city, we're a green city, and we are attractive to a lot of people and to a lot of businesses. We've had Alstom Power to invest $1/3 billion there in a new plant. Volkswagen just has built a $1 billion plant, their only plant in the United States in Chattanooga. And both of those economic development achievements, as well as a host of smaller ones, are a result of Chattanooga's ability to manage the system of the future, like our capability with our smart grid system. Already people are adopting it because they see the quality of the product. It doesn't really require any adoption on people's part. We're extending the system to every house and every user, so there will be fiber to every user. How they choose to use it beyond the smart meter that we'll put on their house to help manage the electrical system is their choice. Alcatel-Lucent gave us the best opportunity to grasp the future. I mean, we looked at other suppliers and they rose to the top. Can't put it any more simply than that. And so I know the city as it was 40 years ago, and the city that it is now, and the city that it can become. And I have been infected with the vision of the future that a lot of people in Chattanooga have shared over the years, and it is truly an inspiring community with an inspiring story. And this new infrastructure enables us to attack the future in a very positive and a very unique way.